Good afternoon. We are back. We are back once again. Thank you for your time and your presence in this place. It's highly appreciated. Still celebrating, still on the mood of celebration. 1,000 YouTube subscribers, guys. You are highly appreciated. Highly appreciated. Still on the mood. Good afternoon. Still on the celebration mode. Still on the celebration mode. I'm trying to fix this sound. Why is it reducing sound on a wrong line? All right, yes, beautiful stuff. Still on the celebration mode. 1,000 subscribers, 1,003 subscribers on YouTube. Now we are on the road to 100,000. There is no stopping. Why should we stop? You get the point. Yeah, that's simple. That's the challenge that we have in front of us. 100,000. It's a high mark, but the mask has fallen. So thank you so much. Well, let's get to it. Right, the markets did not really arrive at our TP, and we see this market is sitting above the key zone, and the CV is literally next to the key zone there. This could be a very tricky trade on a Monday. This market might be very bullish from that zone, running all the way up during the opening, all the way up to that area of interest. But I have already taken a short right now. This is how I'm going to be short, targeting my TP, which is my area of interest. I'm taking it on a very micro minimized trade, so that means I can accept even if this market can continue shooting all the way to 50,000 and 61 there. If we go to this area here, still I will add another position there. So I'm running it on a micro. It's a very critical zone to sell from. This is what I can tell you. Very critical zone to sell from. It's giving a very strong bullish signal right there. CV next to the low. That could be a sharp. You can see a very sharp, strong upper side on this level. But entering at a small scale for me will do. At the same time, phase 2 is what is literally playing out here. We see the gap has been filled, tabbed, and then we expect a downside market or momentum right on US30. So let's see how the opening is going to be like. I'm opening this market bearish. Right, jumping into NASDAQ. Oh guys, look at this. This market smashed my SL. I mean, we failed so many times to go below this zone, and then I don't know where this volume came from. Somehow the news says oil what, and then we saw this thing pushing beyond that key zone, hitting my SL. So my London setup failed. My London session setup failed. This one didn't play out. Losing day on NASDAQ. And then I'm going to look for sell entry number 2, which is my second setup. But my first setup, there we go. I told you I'm going to have an SL on this one because of the wide range between this entry and the previous closing price there. At this point, I cannot enter NASDAQ for now. Looking at the fact that we have a key zone. If we tap that key zone or we break above it there, then I can look for sales. Nevertheless, if I go on a micro, that's a perfect area for sales. I don't want to lie to you, but I would want to wait. Already I've taken a critical risk trade with US30. It's risky. Why? Because I mean, it was only few points towards the TP. It could actually say, you know what, my friend, I have done you justice, and from here I'm not going back down. So you get my point. I wouldn't want to risk also with NASDAQ and enter the same risk trade. So I would rather take this risk trade and let the opening play out, and then after the opening, then I would then decide what I would want to do right here. But then who does trend lines? If you do trend lines, let's draw a trend line here. Let me know if this is a trend line. I think this here is a trend line, isn't it? If we are using those bodies. Trend line, we check this one. This one also should be a trend line, isn't it? Maybe we use the bodies again. It looks like a strong trend line, right? We can look at it this way. Let me mark where the TP is. It's literally outside the trend line. The sell TP. Can you close that door, my friend? The sell TP, right? And then we switch off this indicator here. And then we look at it this way. This thing was supposed to make a U-turn just there. It went down in the 50% of that trend line. The market back up, broke out, close above that trend line. You see that? This is a breakout of that trend line. So the question is, will this thing create a new upper rally? Looking at the fact that there are many factors that we should look into in this market when we're analyzing them very well. The buy TP of Friday did not play out. So the market might want to play out that buy TP today. That's one of the worst things that you can ever experience. But we can see that this one touch, second touch, third touch was like, you are lying. I'm not going back down. I'm breaking out. Close above that trend line. These buyers could be taking over there. But nevertheless, let's stick to what it is showing us right now in front of us. The negative side of today, and the sell TP is 28,670. This market has to go down. According to today's data, this market has to go down. Whatever the trend line says, whatever we have our horizontal relevant lines already. So let's see what this thing does. But Laron, I am adding a sell, bro, just there. Guys, I'm taking another sell right where the market is sitting there on NASDAQ, targeting this downside. This year for me could be a very lucky trade. I don't want to lie. And then I wouldn't say it's wise to have a stop loss at this point. I'm going micro, and I'm allowing this market to play as much as it can here, and then this year becomes my selling zone as well. You get my point? So between 29,580, 29,387 here is my selling range, right? Risk reward ratio is favorable. The negative side of this trade is not as bigger as this positive side of this trade, right? So I'm taking it right there on a micro. So let's see. If we break above that zone, then it means that selling zone is deactivated. You hear me? Alright, so that's the selling zone for today. Well, first setup failed. We see it. I record these trades, I leave them like this so that by Friday I check my journal. So trade number 1, failure. Then let's see trade number 2. It should be able to bring back what it took. You get my point? So let's see what these markets do. Right, US30, it's guys, US30 is sure. You know, I have never seen such a scary setup on my side. Do you see that thing is going to give us, if this market comes with strength, this thing could shoot all the way up with one line. That CV next to the low, bro, it's a strong signal. But nevertheless, because we didn't fulfill this sell TP, I will still pursue those sells otherwise. Other than that, let's see what the next 2 minutes have for us. Check the sound. Is the sound okay? Let me check. Are you guys well? Right. Let me see. How is the sound? Buying from the low or CV is best. Jack and Son, are you buying? All right. Yeah, you can be right. That trend line thing, it could work for buyers. Love the Sunday breakdown zone profit smoothness. Thank you, Samgelo. Please leave a comment there so that more traders can also join and enjoy the smoothness right there. Right. Thank you, guys. You are really highly appreciated. The engagement on that video is very good, honestly, and also we have received some subscribers through that video. That means we have to do those kind of videos every Sundays, right? Every Sundays we stream them live. Every Sundays we stream them live. We break down, stream them live every Friday, 6 p.m. You must write that on my notebook, Laron. Every Friday live streams. Let's see the people on TikTok. Hello guys, I hope you are doing well there on TikTok. We are live right on YouTube, and I think this is what you can see. We are trading US30 and NASDAQ. What I say is what you hear. What I say is what I do. Don't do it. This is strictly for educational purposes. Sharp. Let's go. Let's go see what these markets. Oh, sound is okay. Thank you guys, much appreciated there. Let's see what these things have for us today. Otherwise we will see. Let me check NASDAQ again this side. Wow, that speed. Why so much speed like this? Okay, then there is an issue of, oh, their markets are open, is it? That was quick. All right, so guys, welcome to New York opening. New York opening right now is running. I was wondering why there's so much speed like this. Okay, NASDAQ showing some signs of wanting to continue going down, but let's see how that goes. NASDAQ could give us a strong downside. US30 is giving both either sell or buy, so undecided. Because we didn't reach our TP, the option I'm choosing here is to go for sales. Let's see what it does. That trend line was broken. Can we go back inside again? It's H1 anyway. Could be not a strong one, could be a weak trend line. The best you can do when you're trading, I think support and resistance is the best, isn't it? Stick to horizontal lines over anything. Is it horizontal? Vertical? How is vertical? Vertical, horizontal. Okay. Vertical could be deadly. Come on, bro. How many minutes? 2 minutes gone. We're still sitting in one place, Laron. What kind of business is this one? Can I have a jacket, bro? This weather just changed. This weather just changed, guys. NASDAQ, there we go. Come on, bro, come on. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, bro. You must recover what you took from us. Let's go. I didn't check gold, and gold looks bullish from my checkings. We will see. We will see. We will see how that goes. Thank you, my brother. Where are my socks? Can I have those socks, bro? They are there. Because go freeze them. So when I pair socks. Oh, guys, weather is the June is Juning. I'm telling you. Sure. June is June. Right, come on, bro. Come on. Don't waste our time. This trade is something else. But we shall see. NASDAQ could pay us big time. Yeah, could pay us big time. Okay, there is something that I also discovered, guys, in terms of correlation. Somebody said, or many traders usually, they always say these markets are correlated, right? I think if we check US30, it has a reason to dump, because when we're analyzing on did you see what happened, Larona, when we were analyzing this market on Sunday? Did you see that this market literally left from 2006? It was literally on 17,000. So, oh, bro, 17. You see, from 17, 18, those levels. So I think NASDAQ is way behind than US30, because now US30 is sitting at 50,000, whereas NASDAQ is still sitting at 29,000. So NASDAQ has a reason to fly, and US30 has got no reason to fly. It has been flying, and people usually say US30 is ahead, is behind of NASDAQ. That's not the truth. When it comes to pricing, US30 is ahead of NASDAQ, and we are sitting at 50,000 on US30. From 17,000 price, 16,000, we are at 50,000, which this is the highest it has gone, highest index ever. So NASDAQ should go so that it can be equal to this. That's why US30 is relaxed. Now I get it. Does it make sense now? Yes. It should not really be the same, because this guy is behind price. Imagine we are sitting at 29,000, that one is sitting at what? 49,000. So it's ahead with almost 10 to 20,000. 20,000, 29,000 points. So US30 has a right to now dump, because it has been flying. And then NASDAQ must continue going up. And this explains the reason why NASDAQ has been just flying and flying, and people are like, why is US30 not doing that? I think US30 has done its job. It is saying, my business is done. So if you trade them like that, if we are to say correlated, I think price should relate at the end of the day. NASDAQ must go all the way to 50,000. Then we can talk of correlation. Understand? Other than that, the other sometime will sell, the other one will buy sometime. I hope this makes sense. That's a good trade there, Lux. Yeah. Though it was a risk one, but it's good. It's very, very good. As far as I'm concerned, winter means more blue screens. I don't know. One of the most painful things is to blow accounts in this cold. I don't know, my brother. I don't know. Traders are suffering out there. How are you guys? You must check your fellow traders. Your traders are going through a lot. Hi, Laron. I think everyone everywhere is crying. These market conditions are something else. There is another guy called Yaga. Do you know him? He likes posting funny videos. I'll play him tomorrow here. And congratulations on 1,000 subs. Thank you so much. We need 100,000 now. We are on our road to 100,000, and we are very, very far, guys. We need how many? 99,000 subscribers. That's the business. Now we are going to, I want to start this content, Laron. Every day when we go to the mall, we must carry this iPhone, carry this mic. Then you like, please, we need one subscription. We are on the road to 99,000 subscribers. Can you subscribe? You don't have data? No, we'll buy it for you. Or we have Wi-Fi. We will hotspot you now. Subscribe to us, please. So we'll be doing that until we reach 99,000. So everywhere. You see me in Dubai, I will be in the mall begging for subscribers. You see me in Cape Town, I will be in the mall begging for subscribers. I think it can work. I don't want to buy robots, guys, so that I look like I have made it. I want to make it. Yeah, real stuff. I want to make it. Let's make it, guys. I don't want to fake withdrawals. I want to receive them. We don't want to fake anything. We want to see genuine stuff, guys. If no matter what it takes, we have what it takes. You understand? God is on our side, so we will do it. So I think that content will work. Hi, I'm a trader. Can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? Okay. If you don't want, fine. But if you want, then we record those videos again. We post them on YouTube. That's content, bro. May I add my 2 cents? Yes, my $2. US30 is the top 30 companies, and US100 is the top 100 tech companies. It makes sense for the first 30 group to cost more than the total 100. Thank you for that. Dalen, how are you? Are you good, my brother? Are you good? Are you good? Ellen, you are the 10,000 winner. You will be sorted maybe by tomorrow. Everyone who won their accounts, just follow the instruction of the response of our email support. You register an account with Commit Capital. Once you have registered an account with Commit Capital, let us know. And then we'll forward your email profile to Commit Capital for allocation. So I have sent them the usernames and everything. Just now. I sent them now. If you have already registered with the link that was sent to you, then after the stream, I'll forward him your emails. Then that will be sorted for you. So they may do it today or tomorrow. But because of the hours now, they may not be able to do it today. But let's see. Congratulations anyway. Once you have already registered your profile with Commit Capital, you are one step ahead. You understand? It makes it easy for allocation to be done and quick. Right? I don't think you really need verification. It's like you are buying an account of 10,000 USD. Right. Thank you. Right. Let's see. What's the time now? 41. These indices, they dumped a little bit, but the volume of the downside is not as big as it is. Still, if we use that trend line strategy, Lux, you check our trend line. Let's draw it. Where is it? Thank you. You see that? It's still outside. You see? That is just a revisit of that. You can just be retesting it. So we want to see this thing breaking that trend line. Coming in here, breaking our key zone, pushing all the way to TP. So we are going down. Fire for fire. And now the painful part is, the lesson to learn here, honestly speaking, this is not a painful part. It's something that you need to deal with. I need to deal with also. This is what a trader would always experience. This does not mean that you don't know how to trade people. The fact that you couldn't just wait. London session, I could have just waited. You get my point? Why should I expose myself to danger than just being patient? So this week, we are going to breathe in 3 times around London session and ask ourselves question, is this worth it? Why should we be on a drawdown? Will we afford? Why? Then we take decision based on that. Because this trade here is, you can see that this thing is almost like, okay, you entered here, I took you out, then I'm coming back. So these are the things that you should avoid. As for direction, you are correct, but you need to wait. So even last week, all what we need right now, I don't know about you. For me, I really need to be patient, guys. If it means taking setup during New York opening, let it be so. It's better that way than to be brutalized 2 times, 3 times. Now this one is failing to dump off, guys. That volume there is just something else. We have retested the CV. Let's see if we can break it and go below it. That's what we want to see right now. So remember, when we are streaming, we are here to learn. We are students of the market. And the other thing is we are learning it live. We are not learning it on stories. We are live. I'm putting it in a sell gape ko USD. Ke batla go eda sell ko NASDAQ. Ke batla go oketsa sellenya. Nka just see. Yes. Nka just see. Now we are back inside there. Let's see. Motoka just see malaron. I added. Shoo. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't stop, my friend. If you stop, my kids will suffer. And then US30, honestly speaking, this here is a lot. It might mean a lot, but let's see. I just hope and wish I don't misjudge it. Let's see. There we go. We are back inside that range. This could be a very good going downside. I always like to display my trades as well. I'm a guy who is very transparent. If I am losing, I am losing. If I'm winning, I'm winning. Then, like I said, I'm running micros on NASDAQ. I did not set an SL. But on CFDs, I was on SL. They hit my SL somewhere here, then they went up. And micro, I'm currently up $226.69 there. If we continue going down, because I added one trade, this thing could give me $2,680 on this micro. Then I went on a standard lot, US30. US30, I'm also looking for something like 2.8. If we continue going up there, I'm down 300, then this thing could continue going up. I'm going to risk something like 1.5 on US30. So let's see how that goes, and then we take it from there. So I'll be managing this on the other screen while we monitor these trades together right here. Yeah. As if I focus much on issues, I might not eat. Let's see. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on. Come on. Let's see how that goes. The strength of the move is different because each index is driven by different sectors and institutional flows. Thank you, Primrose. Much appreciated for that. So they must be looked differently, and they must never be traded the same. Like you want to sell this one, you want to sell this one. No. The other one buys at the same time, the other one might sell. So traders must learn these things. Right? Yes, we must learn these things all the times. Let's see what these markets are saying. My friend, you are buying Kanan Matago or TP1 key zone. All right, I see. Now we want to smash the downside TP. This one is too small, my friend. The undefeatable king. All right, guys, the mentorship giveaway is loading. It's just that we are still focused much on the money here, but the mentorship giveaway is loading. It's something that is there. I must give it away today. So because of 1,000 subscribers, I'm giving one deserving comment, deserving individual, a gift of the lifetime mentorship, where they come and be mentored by BFI mentors. At the same time, be gifted access to the mathematics and trade like I do, and the understanding. Somebody says, haha, that mentorship is leading for me. Which prop firm are you using? Currently trading with Commit Capital. They have a 30% discount if you use the code BFI. If you use the code BFI 30, you'll get 30% discount. I don't know if we've got anybody here. RT, you can command that commit capital for the registration. You click on the link, register, use BFI 30. They can fund up to 4 million rands account, 200,000 US dollars. They've got 2 different accounts, 3 different live, instant live. They've got also, hey Samuel, we don't want to see that thing skyrocketing, my friend. It must come down. It must come down. It must come down, bro. So they have got 3 live, instant live, 50,000 rand though. They have got also classic account. The payouts are in 2 weeks on classic account. They will pass after 4 days each, so which means it's 1 week on a phase, and then another 2 weeks, which means almost a month on that classic account for you to get a payout. The rules are lightened. The news are allowed trading. You can hold your trades. You can hold your trade less than a second. Literally, you can scalp. They don't have issues of 10 minutes rules and so forth on that account, according to their advertisement. I have traded it. I'm currently running it on phase 1. I haven't gone to phase 2 because the market has been just something else, bro. So it's up and down kind of a situation. Right. Currently, welcome my brother. Where have you been? It's been a while. He's coming with fire. Currently holding 40K. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Are you buying this guy? Keith, you're welcome. Where have you been? We're asking about you here in the morning. Like, no, now you bought a private jet. You don't care about us now. Must remember where you come from, my friend. You must remember where you come from. Yeah, this US30, guys, is skyrocketing. It's going all the way to that price. But I still have hope on it that we might literally use this level as a way of rejection there. But if not, then that means this market is going up to that key zone. This could be a failed setup again. Then as for NASDAQ, good drop, but still failing to go down as well. These markets are recovering from the Friday dump. But let's see how they go from here. I'm back and pushing. I was just dealing with some personal family problems, but I'm back up going safe. All right, sorry my brother to hear that. I hope you are well. It's good to, looking at the weekly, it's already gone. This thing, my friend, hey, this thing is something else. It's gone. Laron, this is a loss. This one is a loss. So guys, I'm down, and let me show you. I like showing you. I'm down 700. I'm risking 1.5, so almost 50% of what I'm looking to risk on this one here. So overall, I'm down 1,000. Well, my overall risk here is 4,500. 1.5 on this what do you call US30, and 1.5 on NASDAQ. That means it's how much? A total of 3,000 today. So we shall see how that goes. We shall see how that goes. Difficult, tough one. Let's see. What's the time? Yeah, this thing is going to the high. That's could still dump, but we'll see. And if we check very well, Friday we didn't play out that buy side, right? So it could be literally playing that, and we are literally back on a previous close of Friday. That's where we are sitting. So sure, it's tough. And what again I would say with US30, the fact that we did really dump downside, market might feel like, no, I don't really need to fulfill that sell TP. I have done almost 98% towards that TP. So that's what I am currently struggling with there. NASDAQ, similar situation. Friday, we did not really reach our buy at all. We are literally rejecting that same level again. If you check Friday, we rejected here, currently also rejected it there. So either way, we might jump in there, then gone. Buyers are strong from that zone, right? So we shall see how that goes. I'm willing to take an SL. The week is still very much long, so we might at the end of the day dump, even not now but later. Let's see. Right, that's a strong buy signal that I spoke about. I chose the wrong side, but I'm still holding my positions. Let me see how that goes. All right, NASDAQ also is not really giving a downside strength. It doesn't also indicate if we are going to have any news. 35 minutes Wall Street open higher as chips rebound. Yields retreat. Okay. All right. Everything is positive. Let me look into this side. Okay, down 1K on my combined. Down 1K on this US30. Down 1K. That's it. What you see is what you get. That's exactly what this thing is doing there. 1,500 is what I'm willing to risk from this one. I use mind stop losses, so we shall see. If any news happens here, it can't blow me anyway. I trust the sizing of this. It can't. I have to be precise about that. I'm not going to add anything on US30. I have already overwhelmed the account. I'm running a standard one contract, so there's no need for me to try and perform some magic when I can see that this thing is literally on its way to this zone. So why should I perform magic? Nevertheless, if I see signs of rejection, closure below that zone, then it's smoothness all the way. NASDAQ also pushing back up. Shoo, look at that, guys. All these today's indices, they're giving strong buy signals as mentioned. Unfortunately, this one broke out, so could still respect that and go all the way to the sell TP first. Let's see. All right, let's jump into gold. We didn't really view gold. Bro, I think we might have found the holy grail. What do you think, guys? This year could be our holy grail. What do you think, Lauren? Do you see this thing? I mean, this one might take time, like maybe up to next week, but look at that, bro. Look at that. Just look at this. And you're holding, even now. Eh? This entry had no drawdown at all. Why my friend, I think we might have found the holy grail. Even here, look at this. So instead of saying buy TP, we must say, so that for clarity, we might say sell entry here all the time. Here, instead of saying sell TP, we say buy entry here. You get my point? All the calculations that we get should be our entries. Any answer we get should, this entry, leke. This could be the trade of the week. Yeah. So, no, don't worry, guys. We are together on this one. But this one now will be written by entry. Smooth. This one also should be by entry. This is a calculated move, most. If it gets there, we are buying. Okay. Right, let's go back to our markets. Patience is key. Let's see how many minutes. 2 minutes to go. I would love to see how this thing will behave. So US30 pushed up with heavy strength, but it's still on. I think the next stop here, Larona, is the high, my friend. Let's just not lie to each other. Let's say put some fun. If we fail there, I don't know. But I'll say put some faranga. But don't worry, I'm a very transparent guy. There we go. I'm still on 800 down now. 800 down now. This could be our comeback. We might come back strong from there or skyrocket again. You understand? But I'm still holding. Overall, 1,100 loss. 1,200 loss. That's what I'm currently nursing here. I don't care, this one is not a funded account, this is a combined, so the aim is to pass it anyway. 4 o'clock, there we go. 4 o'clock, guys, there we go. Opens above our sell zone, above it, and this may mean the market continuously going all the way to the high or dumps from that zone to reach our sell TP. But the fact that this thing has already gone this side, I don't think we might be strong enough to influence this market to come down as sellers, but we shall see. There we go. This one, the fact that it didn't come down here to TP, this could mean us enjoying ourselves. That sell is opening bearish. I just hope this is not just the opening of that candle, meaning it might turn bullish. It's possible. You understand? We are still playing around that trend line, so we are retesting it. It might mean us then skyrocketing from there. You understand? As long as we are still above that zone, it means these buyers are likely still going to control it. But once we break below 28.99 there, then we are gone. You understand? Then we are gone. Patience pays. Let's see. I don't see any volume. Okay, the other announcement that I didn't make so far is the fact that we do have extensions on our live streams. So instead of 45 minutes, it's now 1 hour 45 minutes. So we are left with 1 hour on this stream. We are left with 1 hour. So Wednesday again we come 1 hour 45 minutes. So let's see how these benefit the community. On the other hand, I'm selling a course. If you want to join our mentorship, lifetime mentorship is 15,000. We don't have any discount for now. Lifetime mentorship, you get access to our community that we shall be trading together live on Zoom tomorrow, and or any other day that we are not live on YouTube. We are live with the community members. You get to learn these calculated moves, these projections. I think if you add this and whatever your experience you have, even if you don't have any experience also, we welcome you. We can start you from scratch. Our course is structured in such a way that even a beginner is able to know exactly what is trading. So you are welcome. You are welcome to purchase that course. It's very vital. In this industry, you need our course. You understand? You need it. It's a juice to your life trading. Okay. Somebody says I was okay. I get it. Hearing guys trading, holding 40k and 1,500 USD while a few hundreds is inspiring. We'll get there soon as well. You are welcome, my brother. You are welcome. The only way to get there soon is to just go to the prop firm side. That's it. As soon as I have gold on lock, I will be jumping into US30 and NASDAQ. Beautiful stuff. Let's go. Michelle, how are you, Michelle? German 30 rocket. Do you know that German 30 was holding cells? Look at this. Laron, what is this? German 30 smashed me 48,000 today before going up. Hey, look at it. Eh? I'm telling you, I'm being honest with you. I woke up to a loss of 48,000 today. German 30 buys. They went to stop loss straight. Before this. This was the setup. I was holding it over weekend. Sure. You see, this thing of using stop loss is not good. And this is what I've always said to traders. That traders, stop losses are very dangerous. I mean, if I didn't use stop loss, I was not going to have issues of me being taken out. This is a perfect example that your village people are after you. Eh? Larun, this is a perfect example. Look at that beautiful trade. Skyrocket straight smashing TPs many times. Jesus, what is this now? What is this? Guys, this is so unfair. Nah, man. Who gave me the mentality of stop losses really? Kids were guy got stop loss. If I didn't run my stop losses here, I was just gonna enjoy myself. Today I will be smiling. But it is what it is. There it is, guys. They took me out, then boom, all the way up. All the way up. So the setup I had it, what you are mentioning there is exactly what you are seeing here. I took it on Friday. German 30. It is well. Let's see what NASDAQ has for us. Please, NASDAQ, dump. You have been sitting there for too long. You have been sitting there for too long. Please, 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 dump. Kid, we must have that interview, my brother. Remember, we are supposed to have an interview. I don't know if you are free to come to Pretoria or you want us to do it online. Please, you are due for an interview at BFI TV. You will be the first to be posted on our YouTube channel. Please, I beg. Right. Let him cook. These indices, you are going to learn it the hard way. That they are wild animals. You understand, Larun? And this alone requires money. This alone. The negative side of this trade is lower than the positive side. But you need money to maintain this. That's why we have partners like Commit Capital who can give you up to 4 million rands account so that you can sustain these kind of things. But this is not a guarantee that you might win. But you might have high chances of survival than being brutalized. I'm ready now. I'm ready. We're just waiting for you. So we might get it done even tomorrow. We might get it done anytime. Anytime. I'm ready, my friend. Eish, what a rejection there. What a rejection there. Hey, manala. Hey, rejection is like a man. Hey, that's what I say. Let's hope this is not just an opening. Yeah, but we shall see. Enjoy yourself. With Commit Capital, I have taken out over 400k out. Yes, they were mentioning you, my friend, when I got there on that. They were like, no, Bonang, what kind of strategy are you people using? Teach me. I said, no, don't bother, we'll teach you. We'll teach you. Over 400k downloaded. Smoothness. And please, let's get that interview, my friend. I think BFI has played a very big role in your trading career, my friend. So that interview as a gift to us will be very grateful. I want to be a proud mentor as well. Be dancing up and down. So you might be the one who wins the certificate or others. There are others. People are doing wonders, my friend, out there. Yeah, BFI. I remember another program was requesting the names of our people so that they can block them on their platform. We are dealing with poverty so hard. I just pray that these markets goes back to what we know. We should be smashing TP by now. We're done, you know. Hey, these days, hey, bro, we have to fight. See this thing. Why didn't it just reach TP so that I can buy? Think about it. Remember, when I analyzed on a Sunday, I said, if we get there, I'll buy. Why didn't it get there so that I can buy? Think about it. Hi, these markets. Guys, 2026 market conditions, hi. Yo, hi. No, man, no. If we talk about a toxic relationship, this is what the markets are doing to traders. Very toxic relationship. Yarr. Yo, I sent TC daily. Most of them, my brother, most of prop firms. I think we have the most banned traders. We are being banned left, right, and center. It is only Top Step that is not blocking us. And we have downloaded a lot. Myself, I'm over 1 million. Over 1 million from them. Over 1 million. And they are, and I don't want to go to live. Their live conditions are not good for me. And the payouts, they are not as good as the combine. So I'm okay if I take 4 payouts, 5 payouts on a combine, I blow it. Go to the other combine again. Just like that. I don't want a live account. If I am to do a live account, I should have reached my target first. Then live account, I can skyrocket it as much as I can, but not now. I'm fine with funded expresses. I'm okay. Funded express corner to corner. That's it. Guys, this thing, I don't understand it. Don't understand. No, again. Most our entries there. Why? I mean, you cause me to panic. Yeah. You can't be saying you want me to run. NASDAQ, guys, has failed to break below. You see now, that means that trend line. If you're a trend line trader here, you might be. This might be your strong entry area for buys. Honestly speaking, then you stop loss below this area. You get my point? Hey, this is a strong zone. It just retested. It didn't break it inside. Let me show you. We see these things, Laro. Let me show you. See this. I won already. Exactly there. We failed to go below this thing. Which means that breakout is a strong one. I won. Look at that. This could be a buy, then you stop loss below here. But very soon I'll smash your stop loss like somebody says business. I'm telling you, my your stop loss will be my TP here. I'm telling you. Where can we get traders who trade? I think what I call it on Sheldon. Analyze the market at the trend line. Hey, what the draw at the trend line? Then we have a trend line trader. Then we have a mathematician. Yeah, on stream, isn't it? Okay, phone in the Sheldon. Kana go reke Uber ntako bizwa Uber o ipoleletse gore ne o tla nna Uber. He's busy at work right now. I'll call him after stream. If you're a trend line trader, I'll smash your stop loss like, yo, wait and see. Sure. We are here, Mos. We are not going anywhere. Right. Let's see. Smoothness incoming on US30. Trust the process. Trust the process. Right, the mentorship goes to who is here? I want to do that mentorship giveaway today. Now, you want to understand one thing. If at any time or any given point your username appeared in one of those people who were insulting me on internet in December, and you spoke negative about me, even if you pay me, I will refund you. Trust me, I cannot mentor you. You don't understand. If you spoke negative about me in December, you affected me so much. You caused my psychology to be very bad. I lost 700,000 in January because of that drama of December. You don't know what you costed me. So the fact that you commented negative about me, I marked you. I saw your comments and I was like, okay, we shall meet. So don't ever think that I'll give you anything. Never. Even if we meet in heaven, you must tell God what I did to you so that you speak bad about me. Simple. Simple. Even if we go to, like, God, this one, I cannot forgive this one. Because I never wronged them, but they did me rough, these guys. So, I marked your username. Unless if you commented with a ghost account, then you are likely going to escape. I marked you guys. I know you very well. I know you very, even if you pay for my mentorship, I'm not taking your money. Your money is a guess to me. I don't like people who speak bad about others, whereas you don't know how much a negative word affects other people. You don't know how much sacrifices an individual did for them to always appear in front of you and deliver to you what they know. And you speak anyhow about them as if they did you anything in life. So that alone, you must learn a lesson. You must learn a lesson. Don't ever speak bad about somebody who has never did you anything wrong. Let whoever is affected, whoever is feeling like they want to say bad things, say them because they had an interaction with me. It's up to them, it's their right. But you, a stranger, should not hate on me, whereas I didn't do you nothing at all. So thank you. We'll get there. All right. So the mentorship goes to, you can comment now. You can comment. Yeah, I hear you, Anisha. Thank you so much for that. BFI fame. The mentorship goes to you, to who? Comment. I want to see who is here so that I give you that gift. Say me. I will see you. I want to see if you are live here. I saw your comment earlier, but I want to see if you are here. Right. Still, yeah, NASDAQ wants to go up, but we didn't really go down, so we might go down. It wants to dump. I would agree with you. Me. Chat billings, you're already mentored. I'm also here. I don't want to be disappointed. Mr. W. Right. Our lifetime mentorship worth 5,000 giveaway goes to Michelle. Congratulations on that one. Michelle, all the way, has been so very much positive. And since we started the stream, Michelle has been positive. No negative comment detected. Even on the former streams, positive. Really, really much appreciated. So this mentorship comes to you. you are going to be granted access to the mathematics. Michelle, congratulations on your gift. Right, so what you're going to do, you're just going to email your WhatsApp number to support@bonangfinance.co.za. Then you shall be added on the BFI family group. You shall also be sent the course that you need to go through. Don't skip anything. Just make sure you watch each and every video that is compiled within that package. Once you are done, enjoy the smoothness and welcome to your own deliverance. You have been delivered from darkness. Thank you. That's it. That's it. That's it. So Michelle, congratulations on that. We have been so, guys, even you who are here, who are always on the comments, this is a fair gift to this one here. Subscriptions, comments, every time she's always there. I don't know whether Michelle, she looks like it's a she. So thank you so much for that subscription and your support, standing on our side and also seeing the value in the midst of the dark clouds. So we are giving you that access to the mentorship. God bless you. All right. Girls was always born lucky. No, most of the times commitment is very, very key, my brother. Very, very key. We see people's inputs. Jake and Son, we see people's inputs. We also see people's supports in every time. So, I mean, you cannot hate on a stranger that you just meet anywhere on the internet, and then you start to bash on them, insult them, and misjudging them. You know, one of the most painful things that you can ever experience, Jake and Son, is when people misjudge you, and they use either your struggles to enjoy and rejoice. Like, you are struggling and they know very well your challenges, they use that to just enjoy and get views over someone is struggling. That's one of the worst things that you can ever do to other people. Propaganda. You understand? Because you have connections, you can talk to people who can publish, you can talk to newspaper guys, you can do this, you can gift them, whatever. Then you also become a victim. You join such kind of people. You must always watch out. Lily Kate, Bonang, thank you. The YouTube streams are invaluable educational. We are all winners every day. You show up. Thank you so much, Lily Kate. God bless you. You are in Botswana. She said, are you a he or a she? How many women are here? It seems like this stream is going to be taken over by women. You know that? Why is Maralarun? Women are much committed traders these days now. I don't know, Laron. My mind is saying I must come out of NASDAQ, my friend. The other one says, no, Bona, there's too much smoothness coming now in the next few minutes. But what should I do? I stick to the strategy. Let's go, bro. Give me something solid, something solid. Give me something solid. Guys, I just love the discovery that I just did with gold. It's just a matter of being patient. Guys, gold, we're going to rip gold like, I don't know. H1, we stick to H1 only, nothing else. And literally, we'll see. Tomorrow, let's calculate even if it's a buy direction, then we enter sell, we see. Yeah. Today, we won't attempt. God aside. You know, Tariq, you know it's me, my brother. I've been trying to afford this one for too long. Yeah, I have also seen your username many times. Khabruni. Yes, I'm a woman. I'm in Khabruni, Botswana. All right, nice. I literally grew up in Botswana, hey? Almost my whole small, is it, can I say, I can't, English shouldn't allow that. Can I be a teenager? Never. How can a boy be a teenager? Teenager is for girl. So what should I say? My young what? My youth. Hi. Ke goletse go Botswana, e re ke ibe ya. How can you be a teenager with Namibia? Okay. It's for both. Somebody says it's for both. Is it?
Some of those ages.
If you are young, you are a teenager. A boy can be a teenager.
Like you can be a teenager.
So what I'm battling with now is I know, but I doubt. Or what? Yeah. Somebody says teenager is a female. Someone says it's for both. So what are you saying?
Both.
Eh?
Both of a certain age group.
A certain age group. Boys cannot be categorized as it is. I think ChatGPT will help us. I want to agree with this guy who is saying it's for both. Lol, yes, it's for both during the teen years. Okay. But I don't want to say that. I don't want to say I spent my teenage
years
in Botswana. I don't want to say that. It doesn't feel right. It makes me feel otherwise. Alex. It makes me feel otherwise. This But I grew up there. Most of my life I spent. I think that's why you see Larona. Larona is one of my church protocols in Botswana. Yeah, so I really appreciate Botswana. They really took care of me. I have families there that value me so much. Yeah, and you can see they literally visit me most of the time. So this side. Yes, we are taking over. Boys have been eating. Yeah, ne? I see. So it would be nice if we have you, Mam Nelsie, were streaming here with me. One of these days, we want to see you on stream. Mas Chaba is there. Okay. Matapelo also is there. Anyone under age 20 is a teenager, I think. It's a teen. Very at the end. I see. As you were 13 to 19 years old, you were a teenager. Sure. It doesn't sound right, bro. It sounds otherwise. This doesn't sound right. But all is well, I was a teenager. Okay, guys, we are left with 35 minutes towards the end of our stream. We are having such... 35 minutes, yeah. 35 minutes is nothing. It's nothing. And
say 1 hour 45 minutes.
It's 1 hour 45 minutes.
Quarter past 5.
1 hour 10 minutes, yeah, count them.
We started half 3.
We didn't start half 3. We started 15:50.
Oh.
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, when I want to cut the stream, where are you rushing? Where are you rushing? So here I have a countdown. It says 1 hour 10 minutes 55 seconds so far. Few payouts, ne? Wednesday we are coming. Thank you so much. Yes, Wednesday we shall be here again. I wanted a smoothness stream. This one, NASDAQ, it looks like the second setup will be smooth. It looks like it's gonna be very, very smooth. Primrose, you must come here and sit here and stream here and analyze this market. You are the candlestick trader. I want you to set up those candlestick, those entries, those ones. Sharpshooters. We want them. But we won't pay you now. These are the people that when you call out, you must give out money. You don't just call them out. These are the big bosses. Few payouts here. Send email of... Yeah, Michelle, please don't forget to send that email. Please, Bonang, I was celebrating it. So what I have to do, please. Yeah, I said you send your WhatsApp, your full names to support. Type that email, RT. Kindly type that email so that she sends an email there. Your WhatsApp number, then we are going to add you on the group as soon as we are done with the stream. and then we send you the course as well. You start your learning journey. Don't skip anything that you come across on that course, please. No matter how long you've been trading, there is vital information from Genesis Wave to the hybrid MET strategy. You must not skip that. Very, very important. Very, very important. If you feel like you know it, take notes. It's just 3-minute video pay on the theory part. It's just 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes all the time. Mam Nelsie, if we are to call people like Primrose to come and stream with us here, we must dish out 100K per day. So you can imagine. You can imagine the convenience that you do to their lives just for them to come and sit here. Guys, you are highly appreciated. Honestly, just taking your time viewing us, it means a lot. And there is something that I didn't literally notice, that these guys, the more you have viewers, the more money you make on YouTube. Literally, we are literally making money ourselves already. We are monetized. And we have arrived at 1,000 subscribers now. When you come here, you watch those ads. You don't skip that ad. Then we get paid because of number of people watching our ads. The ads that appear here, our partners. So next time you come here on stream, you see an advert, don't skip it. Just hold a few minutes and then you come to the stream. You understand? Unless you are on a premium YouTube like me. There's nothing as smooth as a premium YouTube. How can I advert there? Advert there. Yo, premium YouTube is nice, guys. When I play music, I lock my iPhone. Yo, Jesus Christ. Anyway. That smoothness there. I told you, trendline trader, I'm coming for your stop loss. Yo, I will smash your stop loss like serious business. Congratulations on that milestone. Thank you so much. Yes, now we are monetized now. So me sitting here is like I'm not wasting my time now. I'll get paid. You understand? So the more you view, it doesn't matter the number of subscriptions we have, the number of watchers. Smoothness. I can literally make $100,000 just for streaming. I pray that I don't become a content creator so that I move around lying about people so that I get viewers. I pray. May God give me genuineness and authenticity for the rest of my life. Amen. I fear hell. I understand. Right. Are you going to come out? Are you going to come out from that? Boom, boom, 7 trillion. Yeah, Boma 7 trillion. I put 7 trillion in the kitchen. Do you know that video? I'll download it and play it tomorrow. Boma 7 trillion in the kitchen. Yeah. Right. Come on, bro. Give us that smoothness. I love what NASDAQ is doing to me. NASDAQ. Come on, bro. So I'm up again. I want to show you transparency is key. There we go. I know it was hard, but now I'm back. You understand? Going to that 2,680. But because US30 is going to give me 2.8, then I need to reduce this one. 2.5, somewhere there. Whatever. I would rather smash full TP. We will reduce these things later. You understand? Let them hit full TP, both of them. We will reduce them. We will look for losses after, as long as we have reached the target for the day. So target for the day is $4,500. Let's see. Micro NASDAQ is really friendly, bro, but 3 lot is dangerous. If Trump says something right now, I'm gone. Yo, you go cry. This was, Sure. Hey, we're gonna smash that TP. Yo. I have always said it. The negative side of my trade is not greater than my positive side. That's trading. Whether I have a stop loss or I don't have a stop loss is none of your business. The fact that I will end up on a TP, that's what matters. Go and ask your grandfather. Go and argue with your grandfather. You say Bonang doesn't know how to trade? Go and argue with your grandfather. US30 is gonna sell. Don't worry. It's gonna sell. Nice one. Nice. $1,000 up now. I'm not robbing anyone, guys. We all saw it, isn't it? We were nursing a loss comfortably, so allow us to also nurse our win comfortably, so. There's no robbery. There's no robbery. There's no robbery. No one is robbing anyone. It's a straightforward thing. Let's go, undefeatable king. Yes. We are looking for the stop loss of that trend line trader. I'm the trend line. Streaming more.
Where's
Jegensan was here. You know, he didn't buy, he bought US30. He said buy US30 from the law. He's in profit, he made money. US30, he made money. And this thing almost went to 1,000, you know. Yeah, 1,000 something. So it's good money. So it's not like you are wrong.
Yeah.
No. But it's just, it depends on the side you choose. TikTok or else hello guys, how are you on TikTok? Comment. Guys, why are you so quiet on TikTok like this? What's wrong? Sharp. Enjoy the chat. They just watch, they don't comment. These days TikTok, they don't comment. Nice, beautiful stuff there, guys. Let's see. Do we have some music here? Ghana music must play now when we are looking.
NASDAQ is
Hmm?
That is good.
There's too much money to manage. This week I'm going for that 10,000. No risk, no Ferrari. Should we take profit? Allow me to trade my plan. The TP is there. It's gonna smash. Let me trade my plan. Bro, sometimes the mathematics is very enjoyable, I'm telling you. Yes. Hey, what direction, mon? Where's the direction more marketing is one thing that matters. Yo. Yes. Yo. Knowing direction, my friend, is all you need. If you're a trend line trader, stop loss smashed. Isn't it? Yeah. You bought there, stop loss hit. You call it manipulation, we call it market direction. Dalagyan nalit sa dikata. Hey. Come on, US30, we want something from you. Give us something. US30 is very critical. I can't celebrate US30 now. The fact that we're still inside that range. I want it here. You understand, Laron? Here. As long as we are above that area, it's not worth celebration for now. So right, we are left with how many minutes? 24 minutes to go. It's a beautiful stream that we had this week, isn't it, guys? Beautiful. Enjoy yourself. Smoothness all the way. Smoothness all the way. Come on, US30, give us that smoothness. Tariq, sorry my brother. Yeah, I did explain my fallout. I went out, my friends. they chose the side of my enemy over my side. I didn't choose the side of their enemies. They chose the side of my enemy. And I say, I can't be friends with people who take the side of my enemy. And they literally sent people to go and report me at FACA. You are literally saying, go and kill this guy. I know. I mean, if a person makes a mistake, isn't it that friendship says we cover each other's mistakes? But really, mine was not a mistake, honestly speaking. Mine was not a mistake because that pastor used me. Do you know that waking up every day trading for somebody is a business also on its own? I must be appreciated for that. I was used also. So everyone is wrong there. But now to take one side and then bury me as your friend, that one was one of the most heartbreaking thing to ever experience, where your friend takes the side of your enemy and chooses the side of your enemy and never talks to you again. No. I was like, no. Which means if I get sick, fall sick here, I'm in the bush moose. That thing was something else. So that was the fallout anyway. Yeah, US30. That's why I said US30. Honestly speaking, to talk about US30, I don't want to. If you wanna buy, you are okay, but I'm still holding my cells. I want to see these things smashing this TP. Understand? No. Now myself, I cannot choose the side of the enemy of my friend and give the solutions to say, go and bury this guy this way. This is the way to bury this guy. I was like, no. I better run for myself. Like, no. I mean, guys, let's be honest. It's not like it's stupid. If we have a deal, me and you, we agree that I trade for you. I'm also sweating day and night here. You think it's a joke? Now, if I lose and then don't want to accept that I lost, then you become my enemy. Over that, I was like, no, you don't have to do that. There is evidence that there is no money made. Then you're like, no, you are buying pocket with my man. I was like, no, my friend, that's not the way to go. So I was also a victim there. But people make it look like the other party is a victim more than me. I was like, no, this is not fair. And where's you are a foreigner, my friend, they use that thing. Michelle, your email has been received by our support email. Thank you. We'll get to deal with that after the stream. Yeah, it could be the issue, and I didn't notice it. It was not only that. Do you know that the other prop firm, funded marketplace, was another company from that? I noticed on proof of payment, the same company that paid me that side, that banned me, is the same company that paid me this side. So they were running two prop firms. That means I took almost 1,100,000 and something from them. It's one company that paid me over 1,000,000 something. So that thing, I didn't know. I don't want to say anything, honestly. Well, I accept my flaws, my mistakes. I was wrong. Let me take it that way. But to make it look like I am overall a bad guy, and you even go around saying I'm a false prophet. You don't know how much I've been so much taken care of by God, and you want to tell me that this God that I believe is false. That's one of the most painful things. If you are an enemy of my faith, literally I become your enemy, because you want me to like, if I'm not a child of God, where should I go? Hey Larun, if you say I'm not a child of God, then where should I go? Because God is my only hope. Because human beings change, bro. That's why you see human beings at any time they can be anything, but God kept me to be where I am today. Then you want to say I'm not a child of God, as if you are God. No, guys, you are so wrong. In many times, even if it means me being angry at you, I have a right, because you are dealing with my faith here and you are criticizing my faith here. No, you're so wrong. Why not bring Christ in me? And that time you are talking about me being a force guy while you are vaping. Utsuba vape wena uri damani ki Satan. You are vaping while you are preaching. Nah. That thing, let's not go back there. This thing angers me a lot. A lot. It angers me a lot. Nah. Guys, I don't think I'm now in the line. Allow me to stop the stream. We'll meet on Wednesday. We are selling, that's the TP, 28,670, 48,999. Hi, this thing is not treating me right. So if we start to talk about this, then this is the end of the stream. We'll meet on Wednesday. Bye-bye.